Hi folks, thanks for watching this video. Today we are making a venison stroganoff. Ooh, venison, yes. Just a little bit of a fancy twist on an old classic. So let's crack on. Okay, first things first. So I'm going to slice up a couple of large shallots, but you could use a big onion if you wanted to. Okay, and now I'm going to chop up about a big tablespoon of flat leaf parsley. And I've also chopped up some mushrooms. And we're going to cut up our venison into thin strips. And there's loads of reasons for picking venison instead of beef. One of the reasons is that it's very sustainable. If you get British venison, it's very sustainable. Most of it is free range, and it's not as expensive as you'd think either. I've put about 2 or 3 tablespoons of flour into one of these freezer bags, and I'm going to put the venison into the bag, and then I'm going to coat them all in some flour. So I've got quite a hot pan here. I'm going to put in a few bits of the a few bits of the venison in at a time. It's really important that you don't overcrowd the pan, because what will happen is, instead of them getting all crispy and caramelized and all gorgeous, they'll end up stewing, and that's not what you want. You just want them about a minute or so either side. So that took about 3 batches of frying to do the venison. So now in the same pan, I've just put a little bit more butter in there and a little bit more oil. I'm going to fry up my my shallots, or your onion. And I'm going to add my mushrooms in there now, and then just give them a fry for a few minutes. Okay, so next we're going to add some chicken stock. You could add beef stock or venison stock if you can get it, but I just think that the chicken stock is just that little bit lighter to add. And while that's bubbling away, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard in here, and 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Let's just stir that in there. Okay, and then we can add the venison back into the pan. And then just warm that through with the sauces. Okay, so I'm going to put my fresh pasta in here. You don't need to use fresh pasta. It could be dry pasta, but I'm going for fresh. And while the pasta's cooking, I'm going to add my sour cream. Now, the sour cream has been out of the fridge for a little while, just to get it to room temperature, so it doesn't get quite shocked by the cold to the hot. And now I'll just add in the flat leaf parsley. Right, so what are we going to drink with our venison stroganoff? So I shan't lie, I'm already a couple of glasses ahead. And when I was going wine pairings, a lot of people are saying Barolo, the Italian red wine, for this. And if you've got 18 quid to spend on a bottle of wine, good luck to you, get that. I'm not spending 18 quid on it. So I've gone for a French Malbec. It is a really good, full-bodied red wine, and it really goes well with the strong flavours in the stroganoff. So give a French Malbec a go.